In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream to Kick on PC using OBS Studio. First, you'll need your stream credentials from Kick. Open your Kick Creator tools and locate the section that shows your stream URL and stream key. These are what let OBS send your video to your channel. Treat the key like a password. Don't share it on screen and avoid pasting it anywhere public. Keep that page open so you can copy the details in a moment. Now switch over to OBS Studio on your PC. In the bottom right, click Settings, then open the Stream tab. This is where we connect OBS to Kick so your broadcast goes to the right place. Under Service, change the dropdown to Custom. Kick uses a standard RTMP connection, so selecting Custom lets you enter the exact server details. Go back to your Kick page, copy the stream URL, and paste it into the server field in OBS. Then copy your stream key and paste it into the stream key field. Double check for extra spaces, and remember, keep that key private. Next, move to the output section in Settings and switch output mode to Advanced. This unlocks the controls we need for stable, high-quality streaming. For rate control, choose CBR, which stands for constant bitrate. Set your video bitrate between 6,000 and 8,000 kbps. If your upload speed is modest or you want extra stability, 6,000 is a great starting point. If you have strong bandwidth and a powerful PC, 8,000 can provide a crisper picture. Leave some headroom below your maximum upload speed to prevent buffering. Set the keyframe interval to 2 seconds. This timing helps Kick's player deliver a smoother viewing experience and keeps your stream compliant with most platform recommendations. Head to the video section, set your base, canvas, resolution, and output, scaled resolution, to 1920 by 1080 for a full HD stream. Choose 60 frames per second for fast-paced games or motion-heavy scenes if your system can handle it. Otherwise, 30 frames per second is perfectly fine and easier on both your CPU and your internet connection. With the technical setup done, return to the main OBS window and build your scene. Add your game capture or window capture, include your webcam if you like, and bring in your microphone or desktop audio. Confirm your audio meters are active and not peaking into the red. When everything looks good, click Start Streaming in OBS. Give it a few seconds, then check your Kick preview to confirm you're live and stable. That's it, your stream is up and running on Kick using OBS Studio.